This is the year to stop sleeping on WhatsApp. Right now, thousands of smart entrepreneurs are using WhatsApp Business to grow their business faster. In the next few minutes, I will show you step by step how to use WhatsApp for business growth, from setting your business profile, automating your replies, connecting with customers, and closing more sales. If you have been wondering how to start with WhatsApp marketing, then quickly go and grab a drink and a snack and sit down as we dive right into the video. Now let us get it clear so that you understand what you can do with this WhatsApp. You can use WhatsApp for marketing, you can use WhatsApp for customer communication, for customer support, you can use WhatsApp for promotion. Now for customer support, it means you using it to support your customers, like if they need any information or help with your product, you can definitely use WhatsApp. You can use WhatsApp to communicate to them in the area of communications and also marketing, using WhatsApp to market, which is what I usually do in this channel, to tell you how to use WhatsApp to market your products and your services and how to sell out. And then there's WhatsApp promotion. And there are two types of WhatsApp business. There is the WhatsApp business app, which is for small business owners, and then there is the WhatsApp business API, which is for large brands. These are for medium to large brands. They have to go through the process and pay for that one. But with this WhatsApp business app, you can easily go to your Play Store and just download it and then start using it, which is what we are going to talk about in this video. So as someone who wants to grow your business with WhatsApp, the first thing you should do is to go and download the app. Go to Google Play Store, download the app. Then secondly, set up your profile. You have to fill out your profile. You put your official business name. Then go ahead to put your business logo for your profile image. Or even if you don't have a business logo, then you can use your picture of you. Maybe if you have a personal brand, but ensure that it is clear. Go over to the description and put important information that your customers need. So this includes core messaging plus a call to action. So what is your brand all about? What are you all about on WhatsApp? Tell us. That is your core messaging. Like, choose your core messaging. What is that exact thing that you solve, and who do you solve it for? Then plus your call to action, which is, okay, what should they do next? What should they do after, when, if they really want to patronize you? Then add your hours, which is the time you are available to attend to customers. Are you available to attend to customers from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m.? Are you available to attend to customers from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.? You put the hours that you're available. And if you're available 24 hours, maybe because of the type of business you do, then fine and good, put it there. Then you put your website link. If you have a website, insert the link for your website there. Then if you have a physical store, ensure that you include your address of your physical store. So maybe if they communicate with you on WhatsApp, they can easily come to your physical store to pick up. Or if they don't want to pay for delivery, they can come to your physical store and pick it up. Then also put your email there if they want to reach out to you via email. Since WhatsApp is part of the Meta family, you can seamlessly attach your Instagram and Facebook page to WhatsApp. You can seamlessly connect them to WhatsApp. So you have to do this to ensure that you can easily, people, maybe if you make posts on Facebook, on Instagram, they can easily come to WhatsApp and continue the conversation or connect with you on WhatsApp. So you can direct traffic from those places, from your Facebook, from your Instagram, you direct it down to your WhatsApp and use your WhatsApp to market the hell out of your products and your services. Then moving over to the next one, add your catalogs. This is like your storefront. This is where you display your products and your services. Just go there, display what you offer. Put your prices, the description there, and you can put up to 100 plus best-selling products there, like hundreds, like 100 of your best-selling products. You can put it under your catalog. Now, this is one feature you should ensure that you are using as a business person on WhatsApp. As someone that wants to grow his or her business here on WhatsApp, ensure that you are using this catalog. With this catalog here now, you are showing your customers your products directly on WhatsApp. You are showing them, they're seeing it. They don't have to go to Facebook, they don't have to go to Instagram to see it. they are seeing it. Then you can also share your catalog link on your different social media platforms so that they can easily discover your products and your services on WhatsApp. They can easily discover your business on WhatsApp. Customers can also share products and services with others over WhatsApp, increasing your chances of finding more potential customers. You can also run ads of this catalog on social media sites that direct back to your business on WhatsApp. Now, the next thing is for you to set up a greeting message. Now, this is very, very important because this message will reply to any chat that comes on, even if you're online or you're offline. If you're active or not, that message will be sent out once someone chats you up, chats that WhatsApp line up, it will be sent. Now, this is important because even if you are not active, your WhatsApp is there to talk to your customer, you know, and then ensure that the message you are sending is personal, not generic. Yes, how do you make it personal? By adding your name. Don't make it generic. Don't make it feel, ensure that it is personal. Thanks for connecting with your brand name. My name is this. If you need any help, if you want to ask any question, feel free to drop the question. Feel free to drop it here. Something of that nature. That's like a greeting message that welcomes your customer or potential customer as they chat you up. The next thing is for you to set up your away message. And as usual, don't make it generic. Ensure that it is personal. This is a message that will be sent out when you are away, when you are not within your working hours. It will be sent out. The next thing is the quick replies. Now, this is a shortcut for your common responses. So you can create a message once, save it, and then it will be sent out anytime it gets a word that triggers it. For instance, you can set it in a way that once someone comes and asks about the price of your product, a message will immediately be sent to them. Something will trigger that message and it will be sent to them. Maybe someone sends the word price with a question mark, and then you've saved that word as in your quick reply as something that will be sent, the reply as something that will be sent once the word is being sent to your WhatsApp. So once that price is being sent to your WhatsApp, that word, that reply will be triggered and it will be sent back to the customer, whether you are there or not, whether you are active or not. That quick reply will quickly reply that person. Do you understand the concept? Now, using these quick replies will save you time. It will reduce stress. The stress of typing the same word, the same reply. Each time people ask that same question, that frequently asked question, they always asking, oh, where's your location? Oh, man, where's your address? Oh, where's the price? Oh, delivery details. Once they keep on asking that question, you are always replying. You get tired of replying the same thing always. So when you set these quick replies, it will help reduce stress, it will save time, and it will help you close more deals without delay. So you can set up these quick replies for things like your product information, delivery details, for frequently asked questions, and for payment options. Then as you progress, take note of the frequently asked questions, then also put that in quick reply so that you don't always have to type that same reply to the questions that are frequently asked. The quick reply will do its job. This is one of the sweet features on WhatsApp business that you should take advantage of as a business owner that wants to grow your business on WhatsApp. Now, moving over to the status update. This is a feature, one of the important features on WhatsApp that you need to use as a business owner that wants to grow your business on WhatsApp. I mean, this is where you literally have to show and share content with them. So your WhatsApp updates last for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it will disappear. So it is something you have to use constantly. You have to upload new updates. Now, as you're using this update, you use it to engage and connect with your potential customers and your customers. You use it to start up conversations with them. You use it to post content such as educational content, inspirational content, fun content, value content where you teach them behind the scenes, personal content, stories where you tell them stories. There are different types of things you can post in your WhatsApp status to encourage engagement, to boost and eventually boost sales. Like there are a lot of content ideas, and I've created videos, plenty videos about that. So go and check. Go to my playlist, go and check. You will see content. You will see videos that will give you content ideas that you can post. Tons of content ideas that you can post on your WhatsApp status to drive sales and drive engagement. You can as well check this video here to see the content ideas you can start with, you know, to grow your business on WhatsApp. Now, in the area of connecting with your customers, how do you connect with your customers outside WhatsApp? This is where you need to use your URL link. That is your short link. This is the URL of your WhatsApp account. It links people to chat with you on WhatsApp. You can find it under tools. Then look at the three dots there. You click on it. Then you click on the short link. And then from there, you can now go and copy it and post it to your social media account, to your Facebook, so that if people want to chat with you on WhatsApp, they can easily go there, click on your short link, and they'll be directed to your WhatsApp, where they can now easily converse with you. The places where you should share this short link to in order for you to generate leads are on Facebook and on Instagram. If you want to run ads, you should use this short link to run ads so that they can be directed to your WhatsApp. And then you can also share it on your website. Now that you're ready to grow your business on WhatsApp, you've literally downloaded the app, you've set up your profile, you've started using all these features. One thing you need to do is to understand your audience. Now, you have to understand that WhatsApp is a platform that is personal. So, you have to communicate in a personal way with your customers or your potential customers. Yes, it is. You have to be friendly. You have to talk to people like you're talking to a friend on WhatsApp. You're literally chatting with them. This is WhatsApp, not a social media platform. So you have to be friendly. You have to, and how do you do this? You have to understand your audience first. You have to understand the people you are dealing with. You have to understand how they think, how they talk. And how do you do this? Is by crafting a customer persona. Have a customer persona where you literally write things about your customers, how they think, what they say, what motivates them, what pushes them, literally even where they live, the type of human being they are, their financial capacity. You develop this customer persona. It will now help you shape a brand voice that is friendly, down to earth, and true to who you are. Now, when you understand the audience by working with a customer persona, you will increase your engagement, your trust, the trust they have for your brand, and your sales. That is why I have a customer worksheet in my bundle that I will talk about later. But for now, if you want to find out more about this, understanding your audience, then go and watch my other videos. I will link it in the description box so that you can easily go and check out that video. Now, if you're marketing your products or your services on WhatsApp, you can use videos, voice notes, images, all these tools. You can use it to make sure that your brand is relatable and it is human. Now, back to what I was talking about, the customer persona worksheet. You can find this. This is one of the resources in my bundle, the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. It's a worksheet that you can use to know who you are talking to know that individual you're talking to, which should be one person. When you are clear on who you're talking to on WhatsApp, who your messages are for, who are you selling to on WhatsApp, when you are clear on this, you will sell more. You will literally make money on WhatsApp. But if you don't know who you're talking to, you don't even know how she thinks, what her problem is, what her pain point is, you will literally be yapping in her ears. You'll be talking to every other person but her. She will not feel like you're talking to her. Therefore, she cannot spend on her money, because how can you be talking to every other person except me and you expect me to bring out my money? So you need to understand who you are talking to, the customer you want to sell to, the person that has the problem. You have to understand that person before you can make her bring out her money, make him or her bring out her money. So him or her bring out his or her money. So you have to understand your customer, your potential customer. So hence the importance of that worksheet, and it is one of the tools in my bundle. So this bundle will help you sell with structure, with intentionality, with clarity, and with confidence on WhatsApp. Now, this WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle will literally help you sell and grow your business on WhatsApp with intentionality, with clarity, with structure, and confidence. It will literally move you, even if you're a complete beginner. It will move you from struggling to make sales on WhatsApp to making consistent sales daily on WhatsApp. It has 10 plus tools that will help you. Yes. So you can check it out to find out if it is something you want to grab immediately, because you need to grab it immediately before the price goes up. Yes, so check the first pinned comment, or you can check the description box for the link to access it. Okay? So ensure that you like this video, leave a comment. If you have a key takeaway, please tell me in the comment section. Also, subscribe to this channel if you're all about growing your business using WhatsApp, if you're all about WhatsApp marketing, if you're all about passive income. Subscribe to this channel. So I see you in my next video. Take care.